Bonjour tout le monde, and welcome to today's video. I'm going to take you on a very artistic day, un jour artistique in Paris. So let's just get into this art vlog. To start off with, I wanted to start my day off with a little bit of inspiration because it can definitely be easy to fall into artist's block. The company Tyne Eyewear were kind enough to send me some of their glasses, which thank goodness they did because I have been struggling to find blue light glasses. This is not sponsored, by the way, but their glasses are great and really useful because blue light glasses make my eyes hurt, but these ones don't. So I am reading a book on Toulouse. This is just some of the most beautiful art I've ever seen. And it is so inspirational. I would love my art to be a little bit looser, like some of Toulouse's later works. I also read one on Cézanne. You can see the city outside my window. I decided to do a little bit of urban sketching because I really love the way the buildings in Paris are formed. They're very beautiful and have this very old look to them, but are also still very geometric, and I've been practicing going straight into my drawings with this pen without any sketching, and I really like it. It's a little bit looser, it's a little bit weirder, which I love. So added some watercolor, and I'm inspired a lot by Captain Tom, or Tom Pidehauser. He has a very interesting art style. If you've seen my sketchbook tour, you'd know that he's a big inspiration to me, and I wanted to do something a little bit more relaxing this morning before diving into my oil paints later on. So this is how it ended up turning out. I like it. Like I said, it's very strange. It's out of my comfort zone, but I really enjoyed it. Next, I decided to take a little walk out into the kind of chilly day. I want to take you with me. So when I came back inside for lunch, I had some sushi and strawberries. I know sushi is not very French, but I decided to do a hand study for a bit of a bigger painting I'm doing. And I wanted to challenge myself to pick out color and skin values based off of the extreme colors I saw. So blues and yellows and purples and greens instead of just different deeper shades of orange, and really trying to pull out those undertones. And it ended up having a very interesting look. It was a lot of fun to do, and it was definitely a learning curve. But as usual, I put on a podcast and I went to sketching. And yeah, you can see my knee sticking in the corner. I sit in some very strange positions as I paint. I also did some painting of fabric, and it was challenging as well. But I like how it turned out, and it made it a lot easier for me to learn how to do the motion of the fabric on the bigger painting I later did. And this is how that turned out. So you can see it's a lot looser than usual. And that was my video. I hope you guys enjoyed this Parisian vlog. Be sure to subscribe for more, and I will see you next time.